Did you know that you're carrying actual cells from your mother inside your body right now? Not her genes, actual living cells. And here's the wild part. Your mother is carrying some of your cells too. Let me explain. This phenomenon is called microchimerism. During pregnancy, tiny numbers of fetal cells cross the placenta and enter the mother's body. But this isn't a one-way trip. Cells travel both directions, from mother to fetus, and from fetus to mother. And once they arrive, they don't just disappear. These cells can lodge themselves in organs like the brain, liver, bone marrow, and skin, where they can survive for decades, in some cases over 30 years. Some of them even cross the blood-brain barrier, one of the most selective defenses in the human body. And it doesn't stop there. Microchimerism can be multi-generational. That means you may carry cells not only from your mother, but potentially from your grandmother as well. Now that is mind-blowing. So how many of these cells are we talking about? It's estimated that about 1 in every million cells in your body comes from your mother. That doesn't sound like much, until you remember that the human body contains around 30 trillion cells. That means millions of cells inside you may not be genetically you. Now, this raises an obvious question. If these cells are genetically foreign, why doesn't the immune system destroy them? Under normal circumstances, foreign cells wouldn't stand a chance. Your immune system is incredibly good at telling self from non-self. If you want the science behind it, some of these cells behave like stem cells, helping repair damaged tissue. Specialized immune cells, regulatory T cells, dial down immune reactions during pregnancy. And others use molecular mimicry. Similar to some bacteria, it's like wearing a familiar uniform. The immune system assumes you belong. Together, these mechanisms create a unique state of immune tolerance, one that allows cells from another individual to quietly coexist inside the body for decades. But survival alone isn't the end of the story. What these cells do once they're there can be helpful or harmful. So what are they doing there? We don't fully know yet, but we're starting to see patterns. On the beneficial side, microchimeric cells have been linked to tissue repair, especially at sites of injury, protection against certain cancers, expanded immune defenses, giving the body more tools to recognize threats, new mechanisms that may protect mothers from some diseases, and possibly even contributing to longer life expectancy in women. Possibly with an evolutionary perspective, since mothers would be needed for a longer time. Fetal cells are often found exactly where damage occurs, suggesting they may actively participate in healing. But there's a darker side. Microchimerism has also been linked to conditions like preeclampsia, high blood pressure during pregnancy, autoimmune diseases where the immune system attacks the body itself. The big unanswered question is this: are these cells causing disease, or are they showing up to help repair already damaged tissue? That question is still under intense investigation. And pregnancy isn't the only way microchimerism can happen. It can also occur through organ transplants, blood transfusions, a vanishing twin in early pregnancy, and surprisingly, even sexual intercourse. So yes, this cellular story may include more people than just mother and child. At its core, microchimerism reveals something profound. Pregnancy creates a deep, lasting cellular bond, one that can persist for decades, cross generations, and influence health in ways we're only beginning to understand. And this knowledge isn't just fascinating, it's useful. By understanding how these foreign cells avoid immune rejection and subtly tune down immune responses, researchers hope to prevent pregnancy complications, develop new treatments for autoimmune diseases, improve organ transplant tolerance. So the next time you think of yourself as a single self-contained organism, remember you're more like a living mosaic shaped by the people who came before you. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.